Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the CTR First SteerStar conference. I'm Claudio Zhang from CTR Marketing Communication team.
I'm Jaeung An from CTR's Development Engineering Design team.
First, we would like to express our sincere thanks to all the first SteerStar ambassador. Your passion and dedication were the instrumental component in enhancing the value of the CTR brand.
The purpose of today's conference is to show their remarkable achievements over the past year as SteerStar ambassador and to share CTR's plans for the upcoming year ahead. The conference will proceed in the following order. First, marketing presentation. Second, development presentation. Third, 2024 first SteerStar reward. If you have any questions during the session, please feel free to leave them in the chat. We will collect all questions and provide answers after the conference.
Okay, now let's listen to welcome message from CEO, who will share CTR's vision and the message of encouragement for all of your efforts.
Congratulations to each of you on being recognized as SteerStars. This program symbolizes our commitment to excellence, and you've earned this title through your dedication, performance, and impact on CTR's success. When we considered names for this program, two options stood out: SteerStar and Suspension Star. Ultimately, we chose SteerStar because of its powerful dual meaning. It represents both our quality steering products and the leadership that each of you demonstrates in promoting the CTR brand globally. The word steer reflects the direction, guidance, and momentum you bring to our brand. As this is the first year of the SteerStar program, we recognize that there may be areas for improvement. We are committed to refining this initiative annually, increasing our digital engagement and strengthening the support we provide to each of you. Moving forward, we anticipate greater collaboration, leveraging your expertise and insight to grow CTR brand's presence together. Thank you once again for your effort, dedication, and invaluable contribution to CTR. I look forward to a successful year ahead and to seeing how we can achieve new heights together as SteerStars.
Thank you, Raphael. With Raphael's one message of encouragement out of the way, let's get the SteerStar conference started. First, we have the marketing presentation. It will be delivered by Gi-hwan Lee from SteerS's marketing communication team. Gi-hwan will provide a review of our exciting 2024 activities and share plans for 2025. A video is also prepared, so please stay tuned.
Hello everyone, my name is Kian Lee, and I'm the manager of the marketing communication team at CTR. First of all, I would like to thank you all for taking the time to attend this meeting despite your busy schedules. Today, I will be reviewing the activities you have participated in as SteerStar over the past year and discussing our plans for the future. Let me start by explaining the contents of today's presentation. We will primarily focus on two main areas, which are SteerStar program review and the marketing program for next year. Lastly, we will cover our achievement and future goals. Due to the time difference, I assume that everyone is busy and tired. So let me begin quickly. First of all, I would like to highlight what we have done for this year and the achievements. CTR has focused our marketing efforts on improving brand and customer relationships. and we have been conducting various marketing activities such as road trip brand campaigns. Furthermore, we have collaborated with our customers worldwide to do various activities such as ambassador program and tech seminars. Among them, the SteerStar campaigns was the CTR ambassador program that we tried for the first time this year. 16 customers in 6 regions had joined the SteerStar campaign, and this ambassador program has been active in various countries around the world. This year, we focused particularly on offline ambassador activities. We conducted 60 different offline events such as tech seminars, roadshows, and CTR showrooms, resulting in over 1,100 leads generated. On behalf of CTR, I would like to thank you once again to our SteerStar members who worked hard for the offline events and everyone who participated. It was a meaningful time because while some countries were already active in offline activities, many others tried them for the first time through this ambassador program. To further highlight the efforts of SteerStar, CTR published and promoted content on social media channels to share our collaboration activities to our fans online and for people who are interested to our products and the industry. As a result, a total of 149 pieces of content were published on our channels, generating approximately 56 million impressions. This figure only includes our online activities. If we include the online activities of SteerStar members themselves, there are over 270 pieces of content published. Wow, isn't that amazing? Beyond social media activity, we also conducted an initiative to breathe new life into our offline tech seminars by leveraging online platforms. Instead of a one-time event, we made the seminar accessible by uploading the videos online. Thanks to active participation and word-of-mouth sharing, the access link received around 82,000 clicks. Although not everyone who clicked may have watched the seminar, this approach allowed us to continually extend the reach of what could have been a single event experience. So, let's take a look at SteerStar activities this year through highlight videos. We wanted to show as much activities as we could, but highlight videos were limited. But don't be disappointed, your activities will continue to live through the CTR channel. Let's take a look. How was it? Thanks to the activities of our ambassador, we believe that CTR brands have spread everywhere this year. Thank you once again. In addition to the SteerStar program, CTR also launched the Low Trip brand campaign involving its executives and employees. Moreover, we have produced a variety of contents that can solve people's curiosity, such as how to install CTR products, auto parts test video, and CTR's department-specific tasks. We have opened a new regional and platform channels, operating in 10 languages across 37 channels. As of now, we have exceeded 830,000 followers and users' engagement, and it continues to expand its influence online, exceeding 1.36 billion. The Latam YouTube channel will receive a silver button, achieving 100,000 subscribers for the second time after the MENA YouTube channel. In 2025, we will continue to build our brand value and strengthen relationship with our customers. Building on the success of our 2024 activities, we plan to take our strategies further by adding new initiatives. First, we will expand our campaigns focused on B2C consumers to create a richer brand experience. By doing this, we hope to increase our interactions with customers and show them CTR's unique value. Second, we will create as many new sales promotions as possible and use a variety of channels to share information about CTR's products and services to boost sales. Third, we will launch a customer voice program together and use customer feedback. This program will allow us to collect customers' opinions and incorporate them into product development and service improvement, helping to increase customers' satisfaction. With these strategies, we aim to further strengthen CTR's brand value and customer relationship in 2025 and work towards sustainable growth. We are planning a full set promotion for CTR customers. To create new opportunities, we will conduct market and order analysis to provide the best sales strategy tailored to each customer. We will analyze the causes of underselling products and promote sales to increase sales and improve market share. The free replacement event is a B2C focused promotion aimed at increasing brand awareness in a market where both recognition and installation rates are low. Our goal is to capture attention, boost awareness of CTR, and increase installation rates of CTR parts. Through this initiative, we also aim to enhance brand experience, encouraging word of mouth among end users to further amplify our reach. This project aims to enhance both of our brand images by transforming success stories with CTR into engaging content. If there's a story you have been wanting to share, feel free to reach out to us. Moreover, we will continue our efforts to enhance our brand image and awareness. To achieve this, we plan to intensify our marketing by targeting global B2B customers through our new campaign, Why CTR. The objective of this campaign is to strengthen customer loyalty and awareness by presenting the importance and reasons for choosing CTR products from various perspectives. Additionally, as part of our global initiatives, we are planning to launch our second journey in Vietnam with the road trip campaign. This time, not only will CTR employees be involved, but customers will also join us to share more meaningful experiences and stories. Basically, CTR is planning to embark on a road trip with our customers worldwide, visiting famous tourist spots, enjoying popular regional foods, and highlighting our customers' stories with CTR along the way. We will also be hiring influencers to host the program, so please get ready for this journey. And if you're interested, don't hesitate to contact us. Further details about this campaign we'll share early next year. Lastly, we will continuously produce a variety of technical contents on topics that buyers may be concerned about. To address their questions and concerns, we guarantee that these materials will be great help for your valuable sales activities, whether in stores or in the garage. Active ambassadors have the potential to create powerful synergies between the projects we have discussed and their SteerStar activities. So everyone, please don't forget that the recruitment begins this December, and all customers who participated in 2024 are welcome to rejoin. Don't miss this opportunity. Let's join forces with CTR once again to achieve outstanding marketing success. Thank you all for listening and have a great day. Bye.
That was truly exciting and insightful. We expect your continuous participation in the upcoming year. Now, before we move on to the development presentation, let's take a short break and enjoy the teaser video for this year's road trip.
준비되셨나요? 오케이. 고! 가겠습니다.
들어가겠습니다.
Always safe.
Did you enjoy that? There are so many places I've been yet, and I noticed Claudio appeared in the video as well. I will make sure to watch the full version later. Now, let's move on to the development presentation. Today, here we have Johan Park from the CTR Indo-Pacific team and Eugene Sin, leader of the AM test team. Let's welcome them.
Greetings, this is Johan from CTR. It's a great pleasure to take part of this presentation. Today, I will introduce the CTR product range, development plan, and the strengths of CTR's product design. Let's begin with CTR product range and development plan. Based on its OE technological expertise, CTR designs and manufactures suspension and steering parts of the highest global standards. Through collaborations with technologically advanced manufacturers worldwide, CTR supplies a range of chassis components to the market, including shock absorbers, brake pads, brake discs, rubber to metal parts, and driveline components. CTR is currently expanding its focus from a global specialist brand in suspension and steering parts to becoming a specialized brand for all chassis components. There are three key strengths of the current CTR product portfolio. First, made in Korea. Of the total 11,500 SKUs in CTR's current product portfolio, 77% are made in Korea. CTR products are produced and supplied in collaboration with Korean suppliers who are part of a robust automotive industry infrastructure that includes both OEMs and aftermarket parts manufacturers. This ensures premium quality, earning high trust in the market. Second, rapid development of new products. CTR launches around 2,000 new products to the market annually, including approximately 1,000 suspension and steering parts such as control arms, ball joints, tie rod ends, and rack ends, and another 1,000 chassis parts like shock absorbers, brake system components, and rubber to metal parts, and so on. Thirdly, extensive coverage of Korean and Japanese vehicle parts. CTR currently offers over 3,000 SKUs for European and US vehicles and plans to develop more than 800 new SKUs annually. Meanwhile, CTR continues to lead as a global brand for Korean and Japanese vehicle parts, with a complete range of chassis components for almost all Korean models including Hyundai, Kia, GM and Sangyong, as well as over 4,000 SKUs for Japanese vehicle chassis parts. This is the annual development plan mentioned earlier. Referring to the product line table, approximately 1,550 new products were developed this year. Starting from 2025, over 2,000 suspension, steering, and other chassis parts will be developed annually. Additionally, now referring to the model table, parts for Korean and Japanese vehicles and parts for European and North American vehicles will be developed at a roughly 6:4 ratio. Furthermore, we will consistently develop parts for Chinese vehicles which are experiencing increasing global demand. Lastly, in the bar graph, if development proceeds as planned, CTR will establish a product portfolio of more than 24,000 SKUs consisting of 13,000 suspension and steering parts and 11,000 other chassis parts by 2030. As CTR's core suspension and steering products are developed at an annual average of over 1,000 items, new chassis products will also be consistently developed and supplied to the market. The key concept for these newly developed chassis product is package by family items. For example, as shown in the product images in the bottom, we started supplying brake pads to the market 10 years ago. 2 years ago, we launched brake discs, and next year, we plan to launch brake hoses. Following this, we will complete the development of calipers, positioning ourselves as a brand that supplies all the main components of the brake system. Following the same concept, we already supply shock absorbers, strut mounts, and dust cover kits to the market. And by adding shock springs, we aim to become a brand that supplies all the key components of the shock absorber system. Additionally, propeller shafts, center bearings, and universal joints in the driveline category, as well as oil seals, engine oil, and various filters will be incorporated into CTR's new product lineup. As mentioned earlier, while CTR focuses on products designed and manufactured in-house based on OE technology, the development and production of various chassis components are conducted in collaboration with suppliers who possess technical competitiveness. Let me briefly explain the process through which CTR certifies the outsourced development products and collaborates with its partner suppliers. First, a pre-assessment is conducted to evaluate the supplier's quality management system. The products from the suppliers who pass this assessment undergo validation at an accredited third-party institution or CTR's testing lab. Only after passing this product validation, it will qualify them to a supplier quality audit through an on-site visit, and suppliers must pass this audit to be registered as a CTR supplier. Subsequently, the supplier must obtain final approval from CTR for individual items, which includes submitting an approval drawing, material certification, dimension report, performance test report, and a part submission warranty. Following this, CTR regularly evaluates the quality of the supplier and their products through periodic product validation tests and supplier audits. Summing up, CTR selects suppliers to collaborate with based on a 7-step process, which includes pre-assessment, product validation test, supplier on-site audit, general terms and conditions, part submission warranty, periodic product validation, and lastly, regular supplier on-site audit. This slide presents the actual documents detailing the individual processes of the 7-step process mentioned in the previous page. As you may know, CTR is a major supplier of suspension and steering components for Hyundai, Kia, BMW, GM, Ford, and T Company for EVs. Based on this, we are developing and supplying a wide range of suspension and steering components for the aftermarket as well. Currently, we have developed approximately 200 SKUs of suspension and steering components for vehicles based on Hyundai and Kia EVs with eGMP platform, such as the Ioniq and EV series, BMW i Series, Volkswagen ID series, and Mercedes EQ series, which are already available in the market. We plan to develop suspension and steering components for nearly all global EV models by 2028. And by establishing an EV suspension and steering full package, we aim for CTR to be the first name that comes to mind when you think of EV parts. We are eager to make this happen. Next is Chinese car parts. As everyone is aware, many Chinese cars based on EV technology are establishing a foothold in the global market. In response, CTR has already developed and supplied over 200 SKUs of suspension and steering components, as well as brake pads for models such as the Chery Taigo series, Haval, and JAC T6. We will leverage CTR's factories in China and our key partners located there to expand our product range for major Chinese models including BYD, Geely, Great Wall, and GAC in the future. CTR is preparing R&D to launch commercial car parts in the market starting from 2025. For your reference, we are collaborating on the development of commercial parts with one of the CTR group companies, that is the #1 steering and suspension parts supplier for Hyundai, Kia, and Tata. We will first launch steering and suspension products for Hyundai, Kia, and Tata Deu in the market, and subsequently expand our product range by developing parts for Isuzu, Fuso, Volvo, and MAN models. So please keep an eye on this and spread the words to your acquaintances. Finishing up, I have briefly explained CTR's product range and our development plans. Next, I would like to invite AJ, the top engineer at CTR, to present the strengths of CTR products. Thank you very much.
This is AJ, in charge of CTR Test Lab. I'm very honored to have a chance to talk about CTR design strength here. Several months ago, we conducted a survey with the customers worldwide to understand their technical interest. More than 100 customers participated in that survey, and we found that the most popular technical interest among customers is comparison between CTR and its competitors. Due to time constraints, it's difficult to share the comparison data in detail here though. I'd like to share the reason why there's a differences between CTR and competitors, particularly who don't have the experience of oil supply. There are several benefits and advantages with the experience of oil supply. First benefit is the feedback from real vehicle testing and the field activities. The real vehicle testing and field activities are such a large scale, it's challenging for a single component company in the aftermarket business. I mean, it costs an arm and a leg. However, feedback from real vehicle testing and the field activities enable practical improvements. I mean, it would be a great chance to improve also in design, manufacturing processes, and the quality systems. The second one is detailed information from larger scale of collaboration. As you know, a vehicle is made up of more than tens of thousands of components. The boson is just one of these parts. Understanding the information and the requirements that a boson receives and the role it needs to play is something that automaker, Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 suppliers are working on collaboratively. Through large-scale collaboration and research, the requirements for boson become highly precise, leaving no room for gaps. Certain insights can only be gained through a direct involvement in oil supply. It's very critical to understand every single word and every single requirement from A to Z, not only from the suspension system, but also from the vehicle itself. I don't think that this is something that a single component company can handle on its own in the aftermarket business. Third advantage is a various global experience. CTR has been supplying bosons and working not just with one or two automakers, but with almost all global automakers worldwide. We've encountered various environmental conditions, road conditions, and driving conditions. CTR has accumulated a lot of information, knowledge, and experience from these. That allows us to create a kind of a Bible for bosons eventually. Without the experience of oil supply, it will be challenging for a single component company to handle all these tasks on its own in the aftermarket business. According to survey, customers' second most popular technical interest is counterfeit parts. We don't have fully enough information about all counterfeit parts in the world though. We had a couple of chances to inspect them this year and found some critical issues. Due to insufficient data, we cannot say all counterfeit parts have the same issues, but the ones we have investigated have some critical problems. Our first issue is significant differences in critical dimensions. Some dimensions on the ball joint are very important. For example, taper dimensions in ball stud and some dimensions on ball joint housing, as you can see in the picture, because they are directly contact with the mating parts like a control arm and steering wheel knuckle. If they are out of specifications based on the original car's requirements, the ball joint's lifespan will significantly fall short of expectations. For example, 1/10 or 1/20th shorter than the warranty period. We found some counterfeit parts had that kind of issue. Second issue is relating to basic performance of ball joint. Steering and suspension systems require ball joint to provide the various angles, a rotating angle and tilting angle. For example, the system requires ball joint to give 28 degrees of a tilting angle, but ball joint have just 27, then the ball stud could repeatedly come to contact with the housing under maximum conditions. This could eventually lead to a permanent deformation or sudden breakage. Third one is structure strength. Ball joint is installed between steering knuckle and suspension system, so it is designed to transfer loads from the knuckle to suspension system, but it does not have enough structure strength that exceeds the load from the knuckle. It could be permanently deformed or separated from the housing in short period of time. We noticed that some counterfeit parts have the incorrect heat treatment applied to the steel components, or the heat treatment has been removed entirely. This means that counterfeit parts may have a lower and weaker structure strength compared to the original parts. Fourth one is durability, such as abrasion wear durability, fatigue durability, and sealing durability, and corrosion resistance. If these four factors fail to meet the original car's requirements, or if even one issue arises out of them, the lifespan of the ball joint will fall short of expectations and potentially compromise the safety of the car. What I just mentioned here are very critical when selecting a ball joint, especially in terms of safety and durability. However, from a customer's perspective, it is pretty difficult to distinguish that at the time of purchase whether or not the ball joint have these issues. Recent counterfeit parts have reached a level where it is extremely difficult to distinguish them from genuine parts only based on appearance. For example, the color, shape, dimensions, and the packaging box are almost identical to CTR genuine parts, making it hard for even experts to identify them at a glance. That's why we need to come up with effective countermeasures for this issue. So far, I've talked about the strength of a CTR design. And to briefly to say, the strength of a CTR design ultimately comes from our extensive experience gained through supplying to automakers worldwide. Therefore, even if we are not currently supplying ball joints to a particular oil automaker or specific model year, no problem. We have a comprehensive knowledge in nearly every aspect, including design, testing, production, and quality of ball joints. For example, we know which part to review in advance during design, what tests need to be conducted, which materials should be used, how to manage the suppliers, what to do on incoming inspection, what to randomly check for statistical management, and which parts require 100% inspection. We are well aware of what global oil automakers expect, what responsibilities a ball joint player must fulfill, and what is the global trend for ball joint technology. I hope today's topic helped you gain some understanding. As a side note, starting next year, CTR plans to reach out to you more frequently through both online and offline technical seminars. At that time, we will go into more detail on technical interest. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you for the insightful presentation. It's very interesting to hear that the R&D team is preparing to launch commercial vehicle parts starting in 2025.
It's still there, right? Don't leave it because now it's time for you have been all waiting the SteerStar reward ceremony. It was very difficult to choose because all the team did a great job as ambassadors. Nevertheless, we need to choose. I'm pleased to announce that 6 teams will receive additional Steer marketing support. Third place, please, Jeo.
Okay. There are 3 teams award third place, and each team will receive marketing support of $2,000. First, the Chualam from the Philippines. Congratulations. The Chualam hosts 1 road show and 2 tech seminars with a total of 117 attendees. Second, the Diamond Auto Spare Parts from Oman. Congratulations. They held 1 tech seminar with over 100 attendees, made the first successful CTR seminar in Oman. Third, the Vascus from Guatemala. Congratulations. They executed 4 tech seminars across Guatemala with a total of 107 attendees.
Thanks so much. Thanks, Jeong. Next are the second place winners. 2 teams have been awarded, and each team will receive marketing support of $3,000. First, the Nam Bác from Vietnam. Congratulations. Unlike other SteerStars, Nam Bác hosted a CTR showroom contest in collaboration with their partner shop and engagement numerous participants directly. They also hosted a brand seminar with nearly 100 attendees and published over 20 STEER-related posts on their Facebook channels. Thank you so much. Second, the R24 from Panama. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
The R24 hosted 3 technical seminars and 10 brands promotion, attracting 90 attendees. At online, they published 66 pieces of content and gained more than 1,000 followers, which significantly increased CTR brand awareness. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And finally, the first winner of the 2024 SteerStar Award, receiving $5,000 is the Universal de Repuestos from Colombia. Congratulations. The UDR hosted 20 seminars and 6 opening events with a total of 28 offline activities and engaging over 300 participants in CTR brand initiatives. Furthermore, they upload CTR content weekly on their channels. Show us example of what a true SteerStar ambassador is. So thank you so much. We deeply appreciate all the SteerStar members who have passionately contributed to CTR's success. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
It's time to wrap up the conference. How was conference today, Jeong?
It's an honor to proceeding this conference, and I just envy guys who get a prize. Is there any gift or prize as a MC?
I will ask my team leader.
Just kidding.
Yeah. See you. Okay. If you have not yet received your SteerStar activity reimbursement, please contact me or CTR sales team directly.
We will compile all the questions from the chat today and ensure the reply will be shared with the respective SteerStar members for follow-up. Thank you once again for your participation, and we are looking forward to continue our amazing business journey with CTR. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you.
Thank you all SteerStar members. Thank you.